At Hyundai, your health and well-being are our utmost priority. We have continuously welcomed you and offered you expansive services, more so during these unpredictable times. We are proud to inform you that our showrooms are frequently sanitized, as well as every car on display and being serviced. Every key touchpoint is also being tended to, including touchscreens, car interiors and exteriors, rails and all surfaces, using world-class procedures. Visitor temperatures are always checked, and our staff practices safety measures to ensure your comfort and peace of mind. We seek to offer you the best because we value your well-being and happiness. Hyundai.